So for this video, I will be discussing about problems involving angles of elevation and depression. So example number 1 here, a hiker is 400 meters away from the base of the radio tower. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 46 degrees. How high is the tower? So if we're going to draw the problem here, let's say this is the radio tower. Okay, so this is the radio tower. Then the hiker is 400 meters away from the base of the radio tower. So this is the base of the radio tower. So the hiker is 400 meters away. So this is 400 meters. Then the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 46 degrees. So we're going to draw a line here. Okay. So this is the angle of elevation. And this is 46 degrees. 46 degrees. Question is, how high is the tower? Let's say this is x. So we will be finding the height of the tower. So finding here, this is the angle of elevation, which is 46. The side here, 400 centimeters is the adjacent side, and this one, x, is the opposite side. So we can use here tangent. So we can solve for tangent of 46 degrees equals the opposite side, which is x, over the adjacent side, which is 400. Okay, cross multiply. This will be tangent of 46 times 400. So times 400 equals x. Then tangent of 46, that will be 1.03553 and so on. If we're going to multiply that one to 400, so times 400, the result will be 414.21. So x is 414.21 meters. Okay, second problem. From the top of a cliff, 280 meters high, the angle of depression of a boat is 25 degrees. How far from the base of the cliff is the boat? Now, if we're going to draw the problem, this is the cliff here. This is 280 meters. So this is 280 meters. Then the angle of depression of the boat. So if we are going to have the boat here, this is the boat. Then the angle of depression of the boat is 25 degrees. If we're going to draw a line here. Okay, so angle of depression, we can draw an imaginary line here, and the angle of depression is this angle here. So this is 25 degrees. So we're going to solve for this side here. Okay, from the base of the cliff towards the boat. So solving this one, if this is 280 meters here, the cliff, this is also 280 meters. Then if we're going to have this one as x, we can also have this one as x. And solving this one, the given is the adjacent side, which is x, and the opposite side, which is 280 meters. So we're going to have tangent of 25 equals opposite, which is 280, over the adjacent, which is x. Then cross multiply, tangent of 25 times x is equal to 280. So x here will be equal to 280 over tangent of 25. So tangent of 25 is 0.466. So we're going to have x equals 280 divided by 0.466. So dividing this one, this will result to 600.86. So from the base of the cliff to the boat, that is 600.86 meters.